Today, you will learn how to disable links in Word so web addresses and email addresses no longer turn into clickable hyperlinks automatically. Click File, then Options. On the left, select Proofing, and then click AutoCorrect Options. Open the Auto Format as you type tab. Under Replace as you type, uncheck Internet and Network Paths with Hyperlinks, then click OK and click OK again. That's it. From now on, Word will stop creating hyperlinks automatically as you type or paste web addresses. If your document already has hyperlinks, simply select the linked text and press Ctrl plus Shift plus F9 on Windows to remove all selected hyperlinks while keeping the text. Or right-click a single hyperlink and choose Remove Hyperlink. That's it. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe.